When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants you to get something, to achieve or to give you something, nobody can stop it. Even if the whole world is trying to block you from achieving something, they won't be able to do it. If the whole nation gets together to benefit you, they won't be able to benefit you except with that which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has written for you. And the opposite also is in the same hadith. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is telling us that if the entire ummah, the whole nation gets together to harm you, they will never be able to inflict any harm upon you unless Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has written it against you. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has written it against you, you need to know that nothing is going to stop it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us all. Never underestimate the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When He wants to give you, He will definitely give you. Pray to Him, pray hard, pray with conviction. When the time is right, what you want will come to you. Always remember that if it is good for you and if it is meant for you, it's coming in your direction. If it's not, no matter what, it won't. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has set a measure for all things. When we are faced with a difficult situation and when things seem completely out of control, we are reminded that nothing is outside of Allah's control, especially when there seems to be no way out of a particular situation. In fact, we can't even conceive of a solution. This is when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us even greater help. Allah is telling us that His help goes beyond human imagination. If we only ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala based on what we think is possible, then we will miss out on the otherworldly. Allah tells us about reward that comes with trusting Him, and that is the reward of contentment and peace. This is the meaning of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is sufficient for you. When something is sufficient, it means you are satisfied. You need nothing else and seek nothing else. It means you are at ease with whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has willed for you and recognize there is good even in the things that seems to be negative. It also means you don't depend on other people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a better plan for you. Sometimes He planned for something you think is very bad for you, but it will be the most positive thing that ever happened in your life.